Hey, what up, guys? Today we are playing Flood Escape, and right now I got the maps right here set to insane, and I'm gonna see if I can at least yeah, I can set it to insane again. So let's just wait for these 8 players to at least get out of this match so that we can join. And I set it on
Homie,
yeah.
let's show them the secret.
Okay, guys, there's a little secret right here, and you can all you need to do is jump through this little map, press shift, go all the way down. You don't have to worry about like breathing or anything because you're actually not in the actual map, so you're actually pretty good. So let's just head right through here and go down some more, and let's see what's at the end. And there's this little secret right here. I don't know who this guy is. Maybe the developer, probably. This might be the developer, guys. So yeah, this is like little hidden room right here. This is really, really interesting. So I'm just gonna go right
No,
back down.
this looks like a male person, like the person who works at the mail shop. I don't know.
Yeah, it kind of does, but
Someone who works at the DMV. Someone who works at the DMV.
yeah, I'm still thinking it's like the developer because yeah, come to insane, man. Let's go to insane. Let's go do something insane, guys.
Dude, there's lag in the game and Discord.
Dang, that's crazy.
Your voice is even laggy.
My voice is even laggy.
Yeah, everything is.
Dang, that's crazy. Probably because
Please.
as I said, I'm recording, so it shouldn't be laggy.
I know.
Yes, insane. I'm gonna set it to a more higher level, maybe. I can't set it anymore. Dang it.
Insane is the highest.
Yeah, that's what I set it to, so that everyone can enjoy a super hard difficulty. Oh, you gotta jump at this right too. Oh my god, why can't I get this? Why? No, I can't get up there.
I don't know.
Really?
It's easy, bro. Wait, what? How? What?
Oh my god. Really? There we go.
I did it.
I got it too. So let's just get out of here and try to avoid this water because it's gonna turn into acid super quickly. We gotta be really fast, man.
And then it's gonna turn to lava.
And lava's the worst. Acid.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Go back! Go back! Go back.
Oh my goodness! No! No!
No!
Oh.
No! Okay. Go! 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 Go!
No! 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 No!
No! Help! Help! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die!
I died.
No! 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 No!
Man, this is so hard, guys. Every time. So we tried that part. So let's see if we can survive the next match. This is kind of like
Oh no!
wow, this is really hard. Everyone is dying, Adrian.
I know. Wait, is it
It's insane right now.
insane right now? Is it insane? Is it insane?
Yes, it's insane. Whoa.
Oh god, oh god. I'm not good at this one.
Got past it.
I kinda am.
Someone go push the lever.
Okay, there.
We need someone go push the lever, and I'll be waiting at this door.
Oh no! I fell.
No. Did you fall into the lava?
Yes, I fell into the lava.
Dang it. Dang it. Dang.
Okay, I'm gonna spectate you. You're so close. Go. Do it, homie. Go.
I'm coming.
Homie. Stop or you suck.
No, I don't suck.
Homie. Homie, wow. Ow.
Lock some to insane.
Okay, this one is easy.
I forgot to lock this match to insane.
Ha.
Dang it.
You're slow. You're slowpoke.
I'm not slow.
You're that Pokemon from the thing.
Really? Come on, man. Don't
No,
roast me on video, please. Please don't roast me
I'm
on
not
video.
roasting you.
Really?
Not anymore.
Are you sure?
I'm not roasting you. I'm just doing proven
Everyone looks like
facts.
they're all lagging out right now. So really, what the heck? Oh my goodness, really? Oh no.
No.
Guys, it looks so crazy. There's so much lag everywhere. Everyone is lagging,
Lag.
so yeah, it's just
No.
looks so weird. But now I'm just running on these beams, trying to get to this other side.
Oh no, I died. I died.
Dang, no, man. Why did you die? Ah, lava's rising. Lava is rising. We gotta get to the top. Yes, we made it to the top, guys. I'm gonna E-dance, okay, guys? E-dance, yay. 6 out of 9, difficulty increased to hard. I can't change the difficulty from the game, at least? Why not? What is with this guy? He's floating in midair.
Did you die?
No, I'm not dead.
Because I don't see you on the spectate.
I'm still stuck in this map. There we go. What the heck? I keep falling through the map now, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so much lag. Locked to insane. Okay, insane has been locked. So the homie 890 has locked the lift to insane. So there we go.
Oh my god. Why did you have to lift it to insane?
I don't know.
Why?
I like to mess around.
Oh, you like to mess around with your friends?
No, I mean.
Oh god.
No,
Oh, God.
wait, what? No, that's disgusting. Ew, 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 man.
I wasn't talking about that.
Wow. Why is this going so slow?
I don't know.
It's laggy. This thing looks so laggy right now.
Lag. Acid Twins is ugly with the rainbow hair like Takashi 69 and the face with the glasses.
Yeah, I see that.
And she just died on purpose. Cause she's black? No, she's white.
Snowy
Oh, she's black?
Peaks. Here we go. There's like 50 people in here, guys. Now all we need to do is try to make this clever escape. Someone go push the button. Why do I always have to go push it? Come on, guys. Oh wait, someone's got it. That's good. I'm coming. I'm coming. Wait, lava. Lava's right behind us. Lava's right behind us. Come on, let's go. All right, go get this green button. Acid,
Go.
acid. Get
Acid,
out of this
no.
acid. Get out of the acid. Out.
Go.
It burns too much.
Go.
Where do we go? Oh.
Go. No, I'm about to die. Thank God. No,
I
no,
died.
No,
I died, guys. I really
I
suck
died.
at flood escape, so.
I died too. I just died. I died.
Are you sure you
Every time you
died?
say something, really long, like I died, it's starting to lose its meaning.
It's starting to lose its meaning.
It's starting to lose its meaning after you say it a bunch of times.
Oh,
Let's
dang.
go, boys. Let's go.
Run. I'm gonna go press this green button.
Oh no. Ha! I got here before you.
Really? Oh, we gotta swim out of here.
Oh no. Where do we go?
I don't know.
We go up there, we go up here.
Wait, we go up? Oh, no.
Where do we go? No. Homie, thanks to you I died. Just kidding.
Wait, what? I'm stuck in first person mode. Actually, no. My screen is like, why are you doing this? Why can't I move my cursor? Oh, there we go. Now I can. Oh my
This
goodness.
guy's gonna die. He is gonna die.
I literally wrecked the entire server with this insane mode. So yeah, there we go. I just like to troll.
Why did you lift it to insane? Though.
I have no idea.
Oh
What? You're in there
no! He
already?
died.
Who died?
The guy.
What
The
guy?
guy. The guy.
Who's a guy?
The guy.
What's a guy?
I don't know. He's just the guy. Oh, you mean the guy?
Oh, oh, oh no.
Oh, no. Oh my god. Thanks to this stew. A stew soup.
This is so hard, guys. We're literally failing every single round. So let's just try to at least complete one of these rounds without dying. I know we can probably try to complete this one. So all someone needs to do is be really quick and
No, you
go
cannot.
press that button. Come on, come on. And let's get ready to drop.
Homie, I know you're gonna fail. I bet you're gonna fail.
Really? How can you say
No.
that? Can you say that, man? Why? How are you?
I'm not. I don't really mean it. I don't really mean it, buddy.
Are you sure? Because I'm looking at this guy right now, and I'm not exactly sure what he's thinking.
Yes. I'm sure.
Really? Why did anyone push this button? I need to get some air.
Because no one wants to. Ow!
Really, guys?
You suck.
I know we suck.
Ah,
Really?
okay.
You guys go into the game without me? Why?
Because you were too late.
I was
This
gonna
is
lock.
easy.
I'm gonna lock the lift.
Oh no.
Saying again.
Oh no, homie. Oh no. But this is an easy. This is an easy one though.
Yeah, that's good.
So
But
no
just
worries.
wait until you guys win that next round. You will join into an insane round.
Bruh, this is so easy though.
I'm gonna spectate you right now, and then I'm gonna see. I know it's so easy for you right now, but once you complete this next round, it's gonna teleport you into the very next round, and be prepared to actually face this round.
Wait, he said who's
Hi, homie
Pikachu?
XD. Hey. I love locking the lift to insane. Oh my goodness. Hey, I love locking the lift to insane. That's so funny right there. XD, I love insane.
Homie, wanna know something?
What's that?
Hi.
Hi.
By the way, wait. Tell her. Wait, she subbed to your channel, right?
Hey, are you subbed? I'm gonna say, hey, are you subbed? Cause you're in a vid right now. So yeah, as I said, guys, I am spectating Agent and seeing Agent. Can you tell her my channel?
I don't know.
Well, like it's kind of
Homie.
spectating my view.
Homie.
Shh, I'm focusing.
Homie, help. Help. No. Help.
I'm not in the
Okay.
I'm not in the game right now. I'm actually
Oh
spectating
no!
you.
I'm gonna die thanks to you. Aww.
Why?
Why did you have to lift it to insane?
I don't know. Hey, are you subbed? Because you're in a vid right now.
Wait, does she know you have a YouTube channel?
I don't think she does. She said
Tell her
like,
that me and you are making a video.
I can't. I'm recording and talking right now at the same time. We have to make this jump,
Tell her-
guys. Come on. Ugh.
When you die, tell her that you and me are making a video.
Okay, me and Agent are in a vid right now, and challenges are us. So yeah, I am challenging us guys. So I'm going to actually buy some more diamonds probably, so I can keep
Oh
locking
no.
this. So I can keep locking this game to insane. So you know, right when this goes up, I push it.
Oh
Okay.
no, lava. Never mind.
Yay, beneath the ruins. So let's go beneath the ruins on insane. Let's do insane,
Tell her if
guys.
she has. Tell her if she has Discord so she can call us and she doesn't have to chat.
You got this. You got disc? I'm just gonna ask you got disc. That's all. You know this is gonna be moving really fast.
Oh no, I'm gonna go push it. Okay, someone else gonna push it.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Let's go in. Let's go. Get out of here. Get
Go.
out of here. Come on, guys. Move fast.
Go.
Really? Oh no. I'm in a deep section of.
Go. No.
There's acid inside the
I
vent.
died. How? No, I died.
Well, dang, we were all swimming in acid, guys. That's hilarious. It's locked to insane. Come on. Just keep unlocking this to insane. There we go. I unlocked it to insane again. And yes, now we can spectate them. I wonder if it's insane for them.
Oh my god. Oh no.
XD.
Let's go. Okay.
Yeah, you can do this, Agent. You can do this, man. I have my faith in you.
Oh, I almost died. I was so close to being dead.
Come on, Agent. Come on. Go jump in that hole.
No.
Why?
That looks like where Pennywise died.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure about that? That's crazy.
Okay, there. Are you sparing me?
Yeah, I'm spectating you right now. I'm definitely spectating you, and it looks like you're floating in midair, man.
Because I'm laggy.
Dang.
Okay, I'm doing parkour. Yes. I swear to God,
Oh,
I'm dying.
come on. Get up there.
How? Well, it doesn't let me go up. Okay, there.
Get up there, man.
Oh God. There. There. No. Oh my God.
Wow.
Yes, I did it.
Awesome,
I'm
man.
pro.
You're pro for now, until you go into a sane map.
Your voice is being laggy right now.
My voice is being laggy. How is it being laggy? I don't know how it's being laggy right now.
Yeah, it's getting all laggy.
Ready? Yes, insane, gloomy manner.
Oh no, I died.
Everyone always dies on that map. Wow. Why? Come on, someone go push it. Come on. Well, guys, this is gonna be the last map. I'm hoping we can actually try to get past this map. So yeah, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, let's try to get past this map the best way we can. Come on, yeah, doors are open. Let's go.
Homie, go.
I'm coming.
Go.
I'm coming.
Go.
Dude, chill.
Go. I don't want to chill. Just go. I see a Mario. You see Mario.
Where do you see Mario at?
Go back to the room where you were.
Why do I?
The ghost is from Mario.
No.
You died.
No. Well, guys, this makes the end of this video. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you guys for watching this awesome video with me and my fan, Agent Cheetah. Bye, guys.